sorts of problems with trying to outsmart something as smart as this. You know, we've got a lot of things to overcome.
So, Todd, he's in the chat, Bigfoot New York Todd. Todd's been working with us too, and he was getting handprints on like RV windows on a pretty regular basis. They were coming up messing with his RV. And I told him, I said, put a thin layer of Lexan, clear Lexan over the window so you can't tell there's anything there, right? To try to outsmart them. Mm-hmm. It worked.
Really?
They left a handprint on the polycarbonate. So now we just take the polycarbonate, send it into the lab.
Nice.
And we're going to even map it. We've been told we can do this. Map the actual handprint in 3D for legitimate science with some really new microscopes that go as deep as electron microscopes, but use light. So it's light, microscopy that can go as almost to a molecular level. And that's going to be used for LMS. Wow. So yeah, we're excited. We're going to get Todd back on and talk about this and show some of the work he's done. So anyhow, thank you, Todd.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Todd. Kudos to Todd.
Yeah, no, definitely. He's been working his butt off, and that's what it takes. Remember, I keep telling you, Adam, it's a multi-step process. And that's how you're going to get the best evidence. And that's what Todd is doing. You know, it's difficult for him to do what he's doing. But it's working. You know, it's working. And so we've got to be that clever up at Snell. As you know, it's a huge journey up there. I mean, just the drive alone is going to be 12, 13 hours in the car. More than that, is it?
Thank you for that compliment, guys.
It depends on how many stops we get.
That's humbling, and
it's
humbling to be part of this and part of this legitimate science too, and all the science and research and working with you, Doug. I'm an out-of-the-box thinker, and you are too, and it's our superpower, and so I'm grateful to be part of this and been blessed with these two study sites and the people down in Allegheny National Forest, PA, Grandpa, Bigfoot. I affectionately refer to them to open up their home where it's their camper, getting the handprints on the emergency exit window. They're sliding glass doors, so I've collected the fingerprints, the sebum, latent prints, photo video document, thermal ridges, multiple handprints, dozens and dozens of these. The sebum, the DNA collections, the experiments, getting creative with them, and in particular with the polycarbonate over the window. I did some graphic representation of the hands and a face print, because that's where this all started, kind of a cartoon reference to that, cueing, mental cueing. And they have responded to my cueing, putting their hands in my hand, or I had a big blue hand print. They came up and put their other handprint next to it. So I've already done all the DNA collecting, dozens and dozens of them sent in. Like I said, the fingerprints, dozens and dozens. Now these clear polycarbonate sheets with so as they can study the 3D handprints and their different size prints. I actually have a lot more than one. A dozen or so of those. Yeah, it's been a lot of hard work. It's been a lot of fun. I love the critical, creative thinking outside the box, and I'm humbled to be a part of this. I'm honored. Thanks, guys.
Well, that seemed to be